Hey everyone, Mascorp here again with the Money Found series, part 5. Today we're going to be talking about SwagBucks. Now, SwagBucks is, I guess I would call it inbox dollars light, because in all fairness, I've made way more on inbox dollars than I have on SwagBucks, and I started on both the exact same time. So let's get to it. So again, SwagBucks is just like inbox dollars. If you saw the last video in the series, you have a bunch of different things you can do: answer questions, shop, magic receipts. It's pretty much a carbon copy. Currently, I just withdrew 500 SwagBucks, which equals to $5 PayPal. So let's hope that actually hits the account in a timely manner this time, because the last time took about 4 days. But that being said, SwagBucks is pretty much exactly set up identical to inbox dollars. You have videos you could watch in the background. You have games you can play. You have walls. It's such a carbon copy. It really is. They try to offer you a lot better discounts, though, I will say. There are a lot of online discounts that I've noticed, and my wife, who's the much better shopper than me, she's gone through all my apps, and she's kind of picked and choose which one she wants. She's an avid discount shopper, so she always finds the best deals. It's one of the reasons why I love her. And there's really not much more to say. You can go through this website. I'll put a link down in the description on how to join. This one, though, comparatively to inbox dollars, the key difference I found was the withdrawal. Inbox dollars requires you to have a $10 minimum, while SwagBucks only requires a $5 minimum. So I'm already $1 away from getting my next withdrawal. Other than that, SwagBucks is pretty much just another wall you can utilize to make money and try to fund your portfolio the way I've been doing. If you got time, this also comes in a phone app. It'll let you watch videos, take surveys, online shopping. The receipts is the same as inbox, where you can get 2 cents per receipt, or they have different deals to get more. All in all, SwagBucks isn't bad. I just personally prefer inbox to SwagBucks, just because the earnings are a lot faster on inbox dollars. I've had a couple of problems with SwagBucks when it comes to watching their videos. They like to freeze up on you all the time. They also require you watch about 4 times the amount of videos that inbox dollars requires. Inbox dollars will have you watch anywhere between 4 to, say, 27 videos to get 2 cents, as to where SwagBucks will have you watch anywhere between 10 to 70 videos for 2 cents. So yeah, the earnings is a lot slower than inbox dollars, but there's still earnings there. So I'm not going to knock it too much. Like I said in past videos, any money's good money. And when it comes to passive income, take whatever you can get. Again, so if you want to try something like this, go for it. If not, I will throw up another video with more stuff. So, Mascorp out, and catch you on the next one. Hey guys, if you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And hit that bell notification so that I can give you the latest in passive income earning. Do daily, weekly, and monthly updates on all my earnings. And if you want even more information, join our Discord with Mascorp Real Money Talk. Everyone's welcome. We highly encourage advice. We highly encourage helpful knowledge, and we're always here to learn more and help best way we possibly can. So if you could, like, share, and subscribe. Check out the links below. Y'all have a blessed day. Mascorp out.